Here we come to the elevator at 29 North Market Street in downtown Asheville, North Carolina. And it's an Otis Lexan that's still original and lives on. Awesome, Otis Lexan. I was worried sick this elevator is gonna get modernized, since I haven't seen any recent videos of these since, I believe, 2021. Oh my gosh, I love that chime. That chime, oh my gosh. And this was installed in 1979. Oh my gosh, did that chime give me a classic vibe? This opens right into a desk. I want to stop on the fourth floor. I want to show you something that I saw from YouTube user STF Plumbing and Elevators, or that user. I forgot. I don't know if that's his right YouTube username, but look at this right here. Look at this. They still have the original 1920s Otis elevator call station. Look at this. I don't know if this is really made by Otis, but look at this. See, this is the original call station right here for when the building was built. So this elevator definitely replaced something way older in 1979. All right, let's go back down now. I love that chime. How low that panel is. Cab has obviously been redone at a certain time. I might go for one more ride. Okay, oh, can you turn off the... No, there's... Is this the fan? Oh yeah, you can turn off the fan. All right, let's hear this motor now. Awesome. This thing is definitely in pristine condition, I will say that. I'm not gonna go all the way to the 7th floor because I don't want to cause so much attention. But I'm gonna take the elevator up 1 floor because I really want to get that chime on camera. Barely hear that chime because You're a lot better now this time. I'll sample it one more time and then we're gonna go back down to one end there. Your original Otis door interlock. All right, back down to one end there. This is definitely worth checking out. Before we leave, look how low this panel is. They obviously lowered. I wish all elevators could lower down the COP for ADA compliance. Here's one last view of the COP. This is an absolute piece of gem. Another one of my favorite elevators here in Asheville. All right, let's go ahead and end the video. Turn the fan back on. There it goes, and that's it.